Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning on how we can effectively remove the test mode in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And we will be using this command later on. So let me just copy it quickly. And I have provided this one in the description box below. And so for that, let us begin with going to the command prompt. So please go to your Windows search tab and there type CMD. You will get under best match the command prompt option. Here in the right section, you will see this run as administrator option. So please make a click on that. And then you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on yes to proceed and then you will get this black window here. So all you need to do is just to paste the command that we have just copied and then click on enter. And once you have done that, all you need to do is just to click or type exit. So this is the notification that I have got because I don't have the test mode in our my Windows 10. So if in your case you want to remove it, you want to remove the test mode, then this is not the notification that you'll be getting. All you need to do is just to copy the same command that I have just copied and then paste it in here. And then once you have done that, just please click or type the exit word and then click on enter. And then after exiting the window, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device and your problem or the test mode will now be effectively removed from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye-bye.